Hey, this is Yogeshkumar Rathod. I welcome you all to my lecture on information technology, configuring Windows Server 2008 application infrastructure, in which Windows deployment services configuration requirements are the Active Directory, domain name system, dynamic host configuration protocol, plus WDS service, and fourth one is NTFS partition to store the image. I will give you more information later. Thank you. Hello, this is Yogeshkumar Rathod. I want to give you some information on Cisco. If interested, please listen. OSI model, open systems interconnection model based on ISO International Standard Organization, and not all international organizations or standard. It is not using information technology used. International standard organization is used. Uh, it is based on seven layers. Seventh layer is application layer. It provides an application. Internet.com partner plus application running on target. Internet Explorer, HTTP, yahoo.com, domain name system, DNS name system, application is protocol is address resolution protocol, application is HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol. Sixth layer is presentation layer, data presentation, ABCD to 0101, encryption, data compression.
किसका है?
I will give you more information later. Thank you. I want to give you some information on Cisco. If interested, then listen. OSI model, open system interconnection model, based on ISO International Standard Organization. Fifth layer is session layer, dialog control, session establishment, session maintenance, session release. In this, half full simplex are there. Fourth layer is transportation layer. Segment is associated with transport layer. Whether connection oriented, TCP is transmission control protocol. Connectionless, UDP, user datagram protocol. It is three-way handshake from sender to receiver. Sync is given, sync is acknowledged, and again acknowledgement takes place. Third layer is network layer. Router is a device which works on network layer. Logical addressing, IP addressing. Packet routing takes place in network layer. Second layer is data link layer. Physical address, MAC address, BDSS, control address, 48-bit, bridge, switch, NIC cord, operate at data link layer. First layer is physical layer. Physical topology, physical configuration, bit 01, hub repeater operate at physical layer. I will give you more information later. Thank you.